Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.